Shit happens.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Introducing the KOALA. It's a hug for your phone. And we're HANGTIME, the team behind that hug. Now, let's go back to the beginning. Ever feared dropping your smartphone off a chairlift? So did we. We needed a solution that would keep our precious phones safe and secure. Whether on the river, the slopes, the job site, or the trail, while being fully accessible to share the moment or change up the music. We searched the interwebs and found some interesting products and homemade solutions, but none that kicked ass in the ways we wanted them to. So we started sketching. Countless iterations and sleepless nights later, the design for the KOALA emerged. It secures any phone with or without a case, attaches anywhere with ease, leaves your cameras unobstructed, has a selfie-friendly tether, and it's built to last a lifetime. In fact, if you break it, we'll send you a new one. And that brings us to where we ask you to help us launch the KOALA. We know there are millions of you out there. I'm thinking of you, the skiers and snowboarders, the kayakers, and the world travelers, the everyday heroes who all want shit not to happen. By supporting our campaign, you'll get your KOALAs in trusty gray or a non-shitty rainbow of colors, on the cheap, and before they become the next cool gadget to have. We're doing our part. Join our campaign to do yours. And remember, shit happens.
Hi, I'm Haj. I'm the founder of HANGTIME. I just wanted to personally thank you for watching our crowdfunding video. Been working on the KOALA for about 2.5 years. Super excited to bring it to market. And you should go get one. It's on Indiegogo right now. Go get yours.